Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most advanced and luxurious trucks ever made, the brand new 2026 Kenworth T680. This isn't just another semi. This is a revolution on 18 wheels. If you thought trucking was all about grit and endurance, wait until you see how Kenworth just turned it into an experience of pure comfort, technology, and power. From the very first glance, the design of the 2026 T680 demands attention. It's sleeker, sharper, and more aerodynamic than anything in its class. The redesigned grille, aggressive LED headlights, and sculpted body panels don't just look futuristic, they're engineered to cut through the wind and maximize fuel efficiency. This is the kind of truck that dominates highways both in style and performance. Step inside and the real magic begins. The cabin of the T680 feels more like a luxury suite than a working truck. The driver's seat comes with next-gen ergonomics, full electronic adjustments, memory settings, and even massage functions. The dashboard is completely digital, wrapping around the driver with a massive interactive cockpit that displays navigation, real-time performance, and advanced AI driving assistance. It feels like a private jet cockpit designed for the open road. Add in voice-controlled climate settings, hidden storage compartments, and USB-C fast charging everywhere. You've got comfort that truckers once only dreamed of. Kenworth didn't stop at luxury. They built this truck with smart technology that transforms every journey. The 2026 T680 comes equipped with AI-assisted driving features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and fatigue detection. It's like having a co-driver who never gets tired. There's even smartphone integration so you can control cabin settings remotely, monitor diagnostics, and plan routes with live data. Under the hood, the T680 is more efficient than ever. Kenworth introduced hybrid electric options, advanced fuel management, and aerodynamic upgrades that save thousands in fuel costs every year. For drivers and fleet owners, this means power, savings, and sustainability all in one machine. This truck is more than just transportation, it's a lifestyle upgrade. The 2026 Kenworth T680 is built to reduce fatigue, increase safety, and give drivers the luxury they deserve while pushing the industry forward into the future. So what do you think about the all-new T680? Is this the truck that redefines the road forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and subscribe to Auto Plus for more reviews of the most exciting machines on wheels. Stay tuned, this is just the beginning.